Let's get this baby, this beauty unboxed. Record Power 16-inch variable speed scroll saw. Instructions. That's the instructions. Polystyrene packaging. Some kind of toolkit. Oh, and a test blade too. A pinless fret saw blade. I want to use this with piercing saw blades. Trying to cut thin sheet steel for the live diesel project. There we go. That's it. Nothing else in the box. As Steve Irwin would say, what a beauty. It says 5-year warranty on it. Hope it lasts that long. Cast aluminium base. I chose this model because it had the slowest adjustable speed, down to 400 strokes per minute. Let's get it plugged in and give it a run. Here we are, this is its lowest speed. It's got a dandy LED light as well. That's why I'll start using that on the sheet steel with a piercing saw. Well, that's it, folks. Record Power 16-inch variable speed scroll saw.